Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to our channel One to Step, and we're back with another brand new video for you today. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can tag someone on your Instagram story. Alright, so if it is a private account, you need to be following that person in order to tag that person. If it is a public or an unprivate account, you can easily tag them. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can tag someone on your Instagram story. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Let's move on. First step, click on your profile picture at the bottom of your screen over here. Once you click on it, you want to click on the plus icon at the top of your screen. Once you click on it, you can go on versus story. Once you go on story, you can choose a video from your gallery or you can click a story. Alright, so I'm going to go on camera to click a photo. So I'm going to click a photo of this wall. Alright, let's go for a random wall over here. After you do that, you can click on the double A button at the top of your screen. And once you're over here, first step, you want to write add. Alright, so you want to choose this symbol, add. Once you write add, now whichever name you type over here, that person is going to be displayed. So let's say I'm going to tag Messi. I can write Messi over here, and Messi should be shown at the bottom, as you guys can see. Now I can click on whichever Messi I want to tag. So I want to tag the first Leo Messi, so I'm going to choose the first Leo Messi. Once you do that, the name is going to be changed. Don't worry about it. Make sure you have chosen the right profile. After you do that, click on done at the top. Click on the arrow at the bottom. Click on share. Click on done, and it should be added on the story, and the person you tag should get a notification that I have tagged them on my story. I can just go on my story and click on this add Leo Messi over here, and it's going to show add Leo Messi at the top. Now if I click on it, it's going to take me to the person's profile, whoever I have tagged. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can tag someone on Instagram story. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.